In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make kilda. First of all, I'll be drawing out the shape of how I want my kilda to look like. So for the height, we are working with 7.5 centimeters. And for the width, we are working with 4 centimeters. So now we have a perfect box of 4 centimeters. So here is how the shape comes out. I will be dividing the bottom part into 2 equal parts. And I'll go again, dividing the 2 equal parts, that's 2 centimeters. So I'm taking the height again of 2 centimeters. And I'm joining. So you come from edge to edge. Same thing, you come here from edge to edge. So the same thing. So far we have 4 centimeters here. So I'm taking out 1.5 at one end, and I'm taking out 1.5 at the other end. That gives us 1 centimeter at the center. So you come again for the edge to edge join. You do the same thing for this side. So we have this one. Making an extension upward. So this is my own preferred shape. So you can draw out your own preferred shape for your kilda. So now I'll come with this. It's just a hard material that has a thickness, so that it can serve as a thickness for the kilda. So you mark out your shape. Now you get your leather. So we'll be cutting 2 parts, one for the front face and one for the back piece. So you can see I've drawn the 2. So this is the way. You won't cut them exactly, you will put a very wide allowance around it. So what I'll be doing now is that I'll be cutting the 2 out. So now you can see after applying gum on both faces, so I'll have to set it and pin them together. Remember, we've drawn it on each other. This is it. So you get your clips. So you clip and leave for a while. So now I'm going to bring out the clip. You can see the clip was placed so that this shape could actually mold fine on our leather. So you are going to get a spatula or anything that has a smooth edge just to draw it out so that you can have a perfect edge. I'm going to start sewing. So now you can see I'm going to make my holes for the hand stitching. So now you can see the punch is down, so we'll start with our sewing. I'll be using the double needle method. So the double needle method is just the method wherever you have your needle on both sides. So now to tie it, you will tie on one side and pull back to the other side. So you can see. So the tie knot won't show on both sides. So now we are done. So what we are going to do is that we need a place for our anchor. So we're gonna bring it up to somewhere around this place. So depending on you, you can decide to put your anchor at the center, but for this, I will make a small design. I'll be putting my anchor here. So the next work for us to do now is for us to cut it out. So you're going to get a sandpaper and sandpaper it around. So once you're done with the sandpaper, you make your hole just for the ring before applying the ring. This is just to smoothen the leather. This is just leather cream. You can use polish if you like, and you can put dye on the edges if you wish. But this is just leather cream. As you can see.